So, welcome to our podcast session, Mr. Dhruv. Can you please give your small introduction to our audience? Please give proper introduction. You are a future IAS officer. You should roar before them.
So hi, good morning everyone. Myself Dhruv, and today I will be introducing myself. I will be a future IS officer in our nation, and I will be serving all the states and nation and help all the things to happen wisely.
Today you have to explain in 1 minute why do you want to become an IAS officer. You have got 1 minute to explain. Audience is listening to you. Tell them your reason in 1 minute.
So today I am going to tell why I want only to become why I only want to become IS officer. So my mainly motive is to help the things which help the unwanted things that are happening in our societies, and to stop them, and if I have the power of IS, so I can control these types of works which are happening in our societies. Because like if I have some small post, like I have seen that in some posts even the simple person beat the police. So in the IS officer, if any person do these types of works, so he can be arrested, and mainly the people don't have the power to touch an IS officer. So I will be serving all the people and stop the things that are happening to them.
Suppose you want to take any strong action in your particular area, in a particular district, but the leaders of that area don't allow you, they don't support you. What will you do in that situation?
I will be telling that if you are not doing so, I must do it, and you are not doing, and you are not taking any responsibility. So if any person face some uh, unwanted things, what will
Will you not be afraid of your transfer? Will you not be afraid of your transfer if you don't listen to the leaders?
I must listen to the leaders, but if they are not doing so, I must not be afraid from them, because they are not doing, they are not serving the nation. So if they are not serving, so I must serve the nation, and I must do the work of my post.
Okay. There is a last message that you have to share with audience. Being an IAS officer is about power or responsibility?
Being an IS officer is mainly about the responsibility, because if a person become an IS officer, the person has more responsibility than a power. So it is the responsibility is the main thing, because they need to help all the person in their situations, and to help them to escape from it.
Okay, let's well and clap for